Hi there. Let's take a look at 5 resume website hosting services in 5 minutes. Just giving you some idea of different websites that you can go to post your resume online. There are many different features, but I'll just highlight a couple of them in the time that we have here. This is from Resume Bucket here, and you can take a look at the resume here in the preview format, or you click over here in the edit, and then you can use these various controls up here to edit your resume. We're going to assume that you've got a resume somewhere out there in cyberspace and you probably took advantage of uploading it, which all of these allow you to do to save you a lot of time and effort there. This one does provide some metrics. Clicking on the metrics here, you can see what sort of visibility by name and what location people are taking a look at your resume there. There are also some features there to promote yourself, and there's a resume manager feature here so you can have alternative resumes. Well, let's move on and look at the next one here. This one's from Immerse.com, and this one allows you to do some editing. And as I move my mouse over the features here, you notice how the colors might change, and this allows you to either rename the section or remove an entire section. Over here in the green area you can see different sections that you might add. You can create new sections, or you can add it from an additional resume. One of the other interesting features, and many of these do have them, is when you have an area such as experience over here, they allow you to reorder the entries in this section here. So clicking on this box here, when you've listed your work experience, let's say, or maybe education, you'd like to change the sequence of it, you can take the first one and move it down here and make it the third one, or whatever your preference might be. When all said and done and you're satisfied with the placement, you just click the Save Placement and you saved your resume. Several of these websites do provide that feature. Let's look at this next one called Resumer here, resumer.com. Its look and layout is a little bit differently, but it operates much the same. And this one, as well as many other websites, allows you to very easily change the style on the font that you might be using. Currently I'm selected style number 2 here. Let's just select style number 5, and then we'll scroll down here and we'll get a preview of what style number 5 looks like here. Scrolling down, and you can take a look at style number 5 here. And if the font or the layout doesn't suit you as far as making the best representation, you can obviously go back there and change the look of it. Let's take a look at the next one here. This is from visualcv.com. Visual CV, let me scroll up the top so you can see what the start off with. This is the way the resume would look when you first go to the unique URL. Many of these websites do provide unique URLs. It's usually the website name slash and then your name, if you can put that in there, and that makes it easy to share the resume. And all of them have pretty much set up equal easy sharing of resume services here. But what you can do here with Visual CV that you can't do with many others, it's one of the unique ones here, is, for example, if you have some YouTube video that you would like to embed in the resume, you can. And the person reading and watching your resume would simply click on the highlighted text. It would link to the appropriate YouTube video site or video here, and the video starts playing right inside the resume there. So that makes it very convenient if you'd like to demonstrate some presentation that you might have made, some talent, some ability. It's a way to showcase your talent. So that's what you can do with Visual CV. We'll just stop that and we'll move on to the last one here to demonstrate that. And this is JobSpice. I just recently came across JobSpice, and what's kind of neat about that, if you don't have a resume to start with and you just want to work on different layouts and formats as well as the font, you can do that by adding various sections to your resume. It starts off with your contact information. Once you've added your address, phone number, email, and you want to add another section, you click over here and the various boxes, this drop-down box will appear. You click on the next one. Let's say it's your affiliation to schools or clubs and whatnot like that. You can do so, and then you can type in the requisite information here, add the affiliation, putting in the start and end date. You can save it, print it, put it in PDF file, which they can all do for the most part. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks for watching. Please take